Today we are discuss one single grammar. Grammar has two types, basic and advanced, and especially called that applied grammar and non-applied grammar. Applied grammar means which are syllabus based, JSC, SSC and ACC, and some grammar also have non-applied. It is very important, but it's not applied. Not just come to an exam, but it is important for other sectors, spoken, writing, reading, listening, everywhere. So now we are discuss a single grammar. Its name syllable, syllable. That means Bakkangsho. It is very important. Why it is very important? If anyone asked why it's very important, it's not a clear about all classes students, because it's most important for spoken English. Which student, which peoples are not pronounce a large sentence, a giant word. Which people it's practice in syllable, in defining syllable. It is very important for. It's basically only for spoken in this moment, not others time. That's why if anyone complete the syllable properly, he or she can any large word can complete. So now we are discuss in about all syllable. Syllable has four parts, divided four parts. Monosyllable, it's called mini or single. It's called mini or single, which are pronounced in one time. It's called monosyllable. It's very short. All sentence, all word, divided four parts, because if large sentence or large word, you can make it very easily, divide it part to part. No doubt and no suspicions. Second one it's called dissyllable. It's divided two parts. Any large or any giant word, you divided two parts in pronouns, it's called dissyllable. That means two. Okay. Number three, it's called trisyllable. It's not means try. It's trisyllable. It's any large word, you divide it in three pronunciation sectors. Last one is called that, it's four, it's called polysyllable. It's up to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If any word is very large, so you divide it up to 3, it's called polysyllable. I mentioned that today very absolutely any large word. That means I'm right here, Bangladesh. If any student or any one candidate cannot pronounce it clearly, so he or she need basically syllable. If she or he can complete the syllable, he or she can pronounce the every single word. So it's divided Bangladesh. It's divided in 3. It's called that trisyllable. So we are discuss about one non-applied grammar. It's called syllable. All people knows that. But today I mentioned that for weak students who are not knows about it clearly. So that's all. Thank you so much, everyone.